Well, I'm hearing them, but I'm just not seeing them at the moment. But they're often overhead. I did see a spectacular bomber flying by earlier today. There's a rumble in the sky, and it's completely clear blue sky, but I cannot see them. Must be behind the tree line or something. And they do often fly low. But it's the French military aircraft out again on, I guess, on rehearsing, practicing, whatever they call it. So if I get a chance to show you, I will show you, and you'll be able to see how they look, how they're doing, and how close they are to ground level when they come over here. But quite spectacular, and the noise is phenomenal. So listen out and keep watching for some more military aircraft action here in France. So sorry I missed it this time. Catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Not a thing in the sky that I can see. I can certainly hear them. It's quite an impressive display when you do see them flying over, and often very low. But I think they're now disappearing into the distance. I'll try again later. We've missed them. Okay, welcome back folks, and here's the tomato plants that I planted yesterday evening. It's now evening time again, so 24 hours or so since they were planted. I'm going to give them another water. Looks like they need a top up. They are starting to droop a little bit. I don't know if that's normal when they're newly planted. Hopefully a bit of water will perk them up, so let's give that a go and see what happens. Maybe a change by tomorrow. And then I've got some digging to do while it's a bit cooler. Actually, they're not quite as droopy now as I thought they were earlier on in the day when the heat of the sun was on them. So perhaps they've perked up a little bit even since earlier today. So yeah, that's good news. So I need the pickaxe and need to get some soil moved. Gonna work in that corner. I'll move the camera. probably can't see so well from a distance, but this section in particular that I've just started digging, there is a lot of weeds here. So what I'll do, probably stop just there for now. I mean, I'm much better shape than it was before, even just with that little bit extra digging. But what I'll do is just leave this overnight and then weed it through, pick out the worst of the weeds and the roots. Yeah, once it's a bit drier from the burning day sun. So what I'll need is my waste bag free. So it's piled up at the moment with my rakings from earlier, so I need to just empty that, and then I've got my bag free for use tomorrow or whenever I need it. So yeah, let's get that done. Okay, good, that is done. The bag is there, empty and ready for use tomorrow or next time, whenever. So yeah, we're good to go. Thank you for watching. I will see you again very soon. Bye for now. Okay folks, well it's quite late into the evening now, probably 9:30 or so. Just had a thought though, and a bit sad, but I haven't heard the new kittens making any noises today, so not sure how they're doing. Hope they're all okay. They were quite vocal yesterday, but I haven't heard them at all today, which sounds really quite strange. So I'll update you as and when, but today at the moment I'm a bit unsure as to what's going on. So yeah, we'll wait and see, but I'll give you the update when I can. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.